Disable the car. I need the girl alive.
Going for mine, running out of time. You're coming for me, you better get in line. Get in line. Get you with the balls like Skywalker. Go like the Night Stalker. Put you in the earth, say I pray soon. Kitchen in the room, let me wake up with the boom of a shotgun.
What the hell did you do, hey?
Well, Big Brother lecture, really? Huh? I injected myself. I didn't have a choice. If he's going to take it.
I got a good side, I got a bad side, I got a monkey on my back and I call it pride. I got a mean streak, I don't care to hide, and I will fight for my cause even if I die. Yeah. Program intercepting vector.
You might want to... Might be time for some curls. Very good.
You wanna tell me just what in the fresh turkey hell we're dealing with here?
Long story. It's a ghost. Supposed to be dead. 8 years ago, I put a bullet through his brain.
Great. So we're being chased by the Terminator.
I don't think he's going to make it.
Well, I don't think you can see over the steering wheel.
Buckle up, fat boy. I'm gonna save your life again.
What did you...